The Ford F-150 Raptor comes from Dearborn, Michigan. In today's video, I'm going to be going over the ins and outs of the Ford F-150 Raptor and doing a full end-up tour of the vehicle. We'll go over the exterior, power figures, interior, and take it for a drive. The Raptor is made for the off-roading world, with plenty of modern tech that's seen on the F-150 Limited and the King Ranch. But this truck's purpose is far different from the other F-150 trims. Of course, this truck cannot tow as much as the other F-150s due to its off-roading orientation, but it's just as capable and more than enough to satisfy. This truck's true purpose was to go from A to B, on or off the tarmac, in the fastest way possible. Its presence is commanding, its size is intimidating, and it's one beast of a truck. But before I get into today's video, I want to thank CityAutomall, which is a seller of both new Ford and Chevrolet models. Don't be shy to stop by and say hello to our staff, or even me, Cameron. If you have any questions or concerns about anything you see in the video, I'll leave my email below. Now, let's get into the video. Gazing at the Raptor, it's easy to get lost in its cool body styling. The Raptor is by no means a slouch, and the car's 3.5-liter high-output EcoBoost engine proves this. Coming in with 450 horsepower and 510 pound-feet of torque, the Raptor actually shares the same engine as the new Ford GT, albeit the Ford GT's is heavily modified to suit its needs. The car reaches 60 in around 5 seconds and maxed out at 107 miles per hour due to its governor. The power plant is connected to Ford's 10-speed select shift, which was the first truck offered with this transmission. The Raptor comes with 13.8-inch brakes in the front and 13.7-inch brakes in the rear. These brakes are set inside of meaty BF Goodrich all-terrain tires, which tear up dirt roads and the tarmac. The Raptor is only available with a 5.5-foot bed and has more than enough room in the bed to haul large items. It measures 67.1 inches from front to back and 50.6 inches between the wheelhouses. The Raptor trim gains an aggressive and bold appearance over the regular F-150. This car by no means lets the general public forget that you are driving the Raptor, with Raptor decals on the side, on the tailgate, on the side steps, and in the interior. Ford also doesn't let you forget who made this beast, with Ford spelled out in block lettering on the grille, instead of the standard blue oval that comes on other F-150s. With the Raptor trim also comes Fox off-road live valve racing shocks to soak up any of the harshest terrain that planet Earth can throw at you. You also get tow hooks and a heavy-duty front skid plate. Raptor comes with the most modern tech offered by Ford, including their keyless entry pad as standard, blind spot radar, 360-degree camera view, cross traffic alert, lane keep assist, pre-collision assist with automatic braking, and much more to offer. Moving on to the interior, you're met with premium materials and plush leather. The same courtesy of premium materials is even given to the rear seat passengers, as well as climate vents and heated seats. Once you're seated in the driver's seat, look up and you'll see natural light flooding into the interior, with an F-150 exclusive panoramic sunroof. Starting from closest to you is the shift lever for the 10-speed select shift transmission. Shifting the lever all the way into M activates manual mode, which lets you make shifts from the paddle shifters. The paddle shifters are large and beautifully crafted and are reminiscent of the Ford GTs. Moving upwards, you have the normal dual-zone climate control found in most Fords, with both heated and cooled seats for both the driver and the passenger. And of course, above that is the infotainment screen. This infotainment features Ford's Sync 3 system, which is very responsive. You have audio, climate controls, navigation, and the app screen, which displays Sync 3 compatible phone apps that are available once you connect a smartphone into the vehicle's USB port. Although the Raptor's engine is symphony enough, Raptor also comes with a Bang & Olufsen sound system dependent on the vehicle's equipment package. Raptor comes with a 360-degree camera, which can be activated by pressing the camera button located above the infotainment screen. You can also use these cameras for rock crawling to see exactly what's in front of you. Raptor not only comes with a cigarette lighter, but a 12-volt AC outlet as well, which gives you the versatility of charging different items. To the right of the steering wheel, you'll see the knob used to control your different drivetrain modes. You can even lock the center differential for an even power split between all 4 wheels. Right above your head, you'll see 6 auxiliary switches, which you can wire to different aftermarket products for various different uses. This Raptor comes with an 8-inch gauge cluster, which has a variety of different functions. You have a trip info tab, which is common in most other vehicles, and reads data like miles driven, trip time, etc. This Raptor also comes with many different trailering features, which can be found in other F-150s. But unique to the Raptor is the Raptor screen. In this screen, you can view different aspects of the vehicle and what mode they're set to. The off-roading tab shows you the exact pitch and roll of the vehicle, and the power status shows in real time how the power is being distributed to each of the axles. Raptor comes with 6 different drive modes, including Normal, Sport, Weather, Mud/Sand, Baja, and Rock/Crawl. You can even customize your steering feel on the Raptor by pushing the steering wheel icon on the steering wheel. You can change from Normal to Sport to Comfort. The changes are very noticeable once activated. The Raptor's interior is full of comfort, technology, and sportiness. The seats are well bolstered and hug you. The interior is bold, luxurious, and upscale. The truck's interior matches well with its daring exterior. But enough about how cool this truck is. Now it's time to get it out on the road and see just how it drives. Okay. Oh my gosh. For a truck, this thing has some serious pickup. Just, oh my gosh. You did not expect that from a pickup truck. Oh, this thing is so planted around corners in sport mode. Oh my gosh, this thing handles so well. Even around these tight corners, like this thing handles just amazing. Oh my God, and that noise too. It's so, I mean, even for a 3.5 liter EcoBoost, I mean, the V6, it's so loud, it's, wow. You know him?
Yeah, it's nice.
Okay, good.
Get to turn to drive out.
My gosh. Woo! That was, how fast was that? That wasn't even like 40. Oh my gosh, this thing hauls. This thing hauls. And there you have it, the F-150 Raptor. This truck is not only extremely quick, but extremely practical as well. Where else can you get a truck that's this fast, practical, and cool? The technology and its drivability is unmatched. Its comfort, quality, and with Ford's reliability makes this truck a great vehicle. Ford has done an amazing job with this product, and they've definitely made it stand out amongst their other trim levels. Everybody knows what a Raptor is, or at least they've heard about it. This truck carries such a great presence, and the Raptor nameplate carries great luster. However, I must mention that at the time of this posting, this vehicle has been sold. We do however have many more Raptors available, in a multitude of different colors. We also have a massive amount of pre-owned and new vehicles, so be sure to visit our website at CityAutomall.com, or even stop at the dealership here in Columbia City, Indiana. If you have any questions about anything you see in the video, shoot me or my dealership an email and ask for Cameron and I'll be sure to help you out. Maybe one of you, my lucky viewers, can own a truck as crazy as this Raptor. Ford has plenty of F-150 trims to suit each buyer's needs, from work trucks like the XL to high-end models like the Platinum and Limited. Ford makes great vehicles, but if you want a truck that looks cool, can tear up the asphalt and mud, is capable of towing, has all the modern safety tech, and turns heads when rolling down the street, then the Raptor is your #1 choice. Hey guys, I hope you enjoyed the video. Please don't forget to subscribe and hit that bell notification if you'd like to see more videos like this one. But for now, I'll see you all next time.